family park. Look at the background. Merry Christmas. Christmas na Christmas ang background. Ganda. Liza will do it.
Then face.
Okay, noo. Place of power. Okay, tapos na natin yung 2 days dito. Palabas na tayo ng hotel, Alatao. Pwede mag-stay dito. Cozy naman kasi parang bahay na bahay lang. Pati yung kusina, magagamit nyo. Lahat. Pwede nyo gamitin doon sa kusina. Kung ano yung mga needs nyo. Lalo na sa amin kasi may baby kami. No? So kailangan namin ng food and everything. Okay, let's go na. Tara. Magsay sa kotse. Dito sila Hobie. Oh. Tayo sa Portugay Valley. Let's go. Uy. 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 What's that? What's that? Makeup. That's a Vaseline. Say Vaseline. Beautiful eyes. Kiss nga, kiss. I love you. Woo. As we drive through this breathtaking winter landscape, I can't help but admire the beauty of Sati village. The snow blankets the ground, creating a peaceful, almost magical scene. The traditional yards stand strong against the cold, a reminder of the rich history and culture of this place. Stop muna kami magpapagas. Yan, pagas kami dito. Probinsya to eh, kaya yung mga gasoline station dito, mga maliliit lang din. As we make our way to Portugay Valley, the endless flatland of Kazakhstan truly amazes me. The golden fields stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a peaceful and breathtaking view. Along the way we pass countless sheep, grazing freely on the open land. Some even wander onto the road, making each turn an unexpected yet charming encounter. This journey feels like a step into a simpler, more beautiful world where nature moves at its own pace. Portugay Valley is a breathtaking natural wonder, shaped over thousands of years by the forces of wind and water. Portugay na tayo. Hindi nakababa si Laglay kasi si Hobie natutulog. So ako na bumaba. Ganun no? Paano nabuo yung mga valley na yan. This vast valley now stretches across the Kazakh landscape, surrounded by rolling hills and rugged cliffs. Its formation tells a story of time, erosion, and the power of nature, creating a landscape that feels both timeless and untouched. Okay, balik na tayo. Tabi. Nabingi ako. Nawala yung pandinig ko dito sa may left side. We're in Baurdak. Oh, Alex. Oh, baby. Yeah. Po kami dito. Kami lang yung tao ngayon. Okay. Malaking restaurant to. Dami natin in order. Dami nilang food, barbecue. And yan. Kain tayo. Okay din yung mga food nila. Kain natin mamaya. Burger niya. Beef burger. Kay Alex. Horse. Ito sa akin.
Все, спасибо.
Yep.
Макдональдс, арест. Вот так. Right.
Kebab. Sarap. Here's the bill. 14,311 for everything. Dahil tayo kumain. Ito siya sa labas. Ito itsura niya. Ayan. Sarap yung mga kebab nila. Dito na tayo sa 13th Family Park. Let's go inside. Dito tayo titira for one night. Rest muna tayo dito. One night. Family Park. Look at the background. Merry Christmas. Christmas na Christmas ang background. Ganda. Ganda dito sa location na to. Are you cold? Oh, there's a dog. Yes, there's a dog. Mhm. Yes. No going up. Ito yung room namin na magulo.
Daddy, you got the fella.
Where's the area?
Hey,
What?
hey, Dada.
Scary?
Hey,
What?
the boat so scary, Dada.
Scary? Where's the bird? Oh, come. Oh, okay. Where's the... Oh, tell me, where's the bird?
Dada, go, Dada,
Okay.
go.
It's not scary. Oh. Oh. Oh.
That was everything. Hi, Mommy, Dada.
Ito yung kitchen nila. Ayan, nag-iinat si Glyza ng food ni Hopi. Tapos dito kami kumakain.
Daddy,
Aha.
come on, Dada.
Okay.
Come on, Dada. Let's go.
Okay. Okay, I will hold. Like this. Okay. The food is ready. Come, let's go. Okay, palis na kami. Si Alex kumukuha ng tubig. Inumin niya yan. Inumin niya. Gusto ko i-try pero ayokong i-risk. Kasi sumakit yung tiyan ko, so better wag na. Ayan.
Mommy, Peter, but Peter. Yeah.
Stop over, bibili tayo ng tissue. Sama-sama yung pakiramdam ko. Barado na yung tenga ko. Sinupan ako. Liza will do it.
Then please.
Okay, noo. Place of power. What's this? Winterberry. Okay guys. Titikman natin ang winterberry. Winterberries to. Okay. Tingnan natin. Sabi kasi ni Alex, pwede daw kainin to. Tingnan natin. Sa tingnan natin, di ba? Pwede mo tignan.
No.